Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys a really innovative, cool product for your home. It's super cheap, super affordable, and it's just something that everybody should have. No matter who you are, what you do, how much money you have, what you like to collect, what you don't like to collect, this is something that every home should have. And this is the device right here. No, it's not the new remote for your Fire Stick or a Wii remote. This is actually an infrared thermometer by iHealth called the PT3. Here's the box. And they were nice enough to send me this for a review. And I definitely was pretty excited to get it because I have an old thermometer. I never even thought about upgrading a thermometer. You know, I have an old thermometer that it's like digital. It takes like 3 minutes to get your temperature. Who knows how accurate it is. It seems to work, but one thing I've always thought about thermometers is that they seem to be very, like, they're not very hygienic. You know, you have a household that gets sick. Everybody's using the same thermometer in a lot of cases, and you have to clean it unless you have a sheath for it. It just seems like a very dated way to check temperature. Even doctors' offices don't use your standard, you know, mercury-filled thermometer anymore. Traditionally, it's under the tongue. You know, it's probably a little more accurate to get the temperature under the tongue as long as you didn't drink anything cold or drink anything hot. As long as your temperature is somewhat maintained, because it's inside your body or more inside your body as opposed to the skin. But still, this is a very accurate way to get a quick reading of your temperature in a very hygienic way. Really straightforward. You put it about 3 millimeters from the skin. I'll demonstrate right now. Hold the button, and on the LED display, which is, you can see it obviously very easy during the day and at night, 98.2 degrees Fahrenheit. In a couple seconds that'll turn off, and that's it. When you press the button, I'm just going to press it right now. If you're not against the skin, it's just going to show a blank reading. It actually has to be on skin. It's not like your thermometer that the mechanics use or cooking thermometer where it's an infrared beam that you can point at anything and look at the temperature. This is specifically for the skin. So I believe it would probably work on a pet too. Not 100% sure. I'd have to try it. We're going to try it later on today because what a great way to know if your pet's not feeling well also, you know. So I will test it and do another review on this and let you guys know, or drop a comment if it does work on animals as well. Easy to use. Like I said, you press the button, 1 second you have a reading. Like so, 98.4. And no annoying audible tone, just a little simple vibrate lets you know it's got the temperature and you're done. Hygienic, easy, and just right off the Amazon listing, which there will be a link in the description, you get this for only 26 bucks, shipped to your house. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's time to upgrade that thermometer, especially if you have, I mean, even as a single guy who lives alone, this is still something great that this is why I love reaching out to companies, having companies reach out to me. There are products that I never even thought about getting to, like, better my life or upgrade my life, and a product like this comes and you're like, wow, why did I get this years ago? You know, you just don't think about it. So like I said, right off the website here, fast testing in just 1 second. You get an instant reading. The PT3 is an infrared no-touch forehead thermometer. It'll give you the current body temperature of anyone you care about. And of course, it gets the information off the forehead with infrared technology that measures the data at 100 different points per second. So pretty cool. It is FDA listed and medical CE approved and meets ASTME 19650-98 performance standards. I assume that's some sort of standard that, you know, says it works, right? So that's about it, really. It's simple, it's easy to use. It comes with 2 batteries, 2 AAAs are included in the box, and you get the instruction manual, which you don't really need. It's pretty much, it's user-friendly, it's easy to use, there's not really much to it. That's it, guys. I mean, awesome device. What a great update. I mean, we're getting close to the holiday season here. That's a great gift. I know they sent me 2, so I'm going to give my mom one, but I'll tell her about the day I showed it to her. She's like, yeah, it would have been a great Christmas gift. I can never wait. I'm too damn impatient. So, nonetheless, awesome device. Again, by iHealth PT3. I'm sure they have other products. I'll put a link in the description for their Amazon store. And, of course, this product link specifically. Pick it up for the holidays. Pick it up for somebody you love. Just, again, pick it up for yourself. Pick it up for your family. It's a great device to have in your arsenal of healthcare products. So, all right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I want to thank iHealth for their generosity in sending me this device to review on the channel. Again, I think it's an awesome product. I definitely encourage you guys to get it. If you do so, please do it through my links. It does help to support the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to drop a comment or ask. And as always, folks, have a wonderful day and take care.